Hi everyone, welcome to week 10. This week is election day on Tuesday, so please do not forget to vote. If you need to take class time, time that you ordinarily spend working on things for our class, please do that. We can push the deadline for this week's assignments out a couple of days if we need to. Two other real quick procedural kinds of announcements. Grades for the exam are available on UB Learns. You should be able to go in and look at the questions by clicking on the exam again. Let's talk if you have questions or you're not sure why an answer is what it is. Second thing, or third thing, I guess, the feedback on papers is also available in UB Learns. If you uploaded a Word document, you'll need to download the file that I uploaded, and then when it opens up in Word, you may need to click Show Comments. I use the Add Comments feature in Word to comment throughout the document. Same thing if you have questions about my feedback or about something I said, get in touch with me. Let's talk. Let's talk about it. Remember that you do have the chance to make revisions to Part 1. You can make revisions and submit it with Part 2 or with Part 3. So that grade is not etched in stone. You have the chance to improve it if you so choose. Lastly, I am going to host just a sort of discussion hour on Wednesday from 4:30 to 5:30. This is just talk about election, politics, sort of be in a place with other social workers who are kind of thinking about election, the election and politics and so on and so forth. I will send out a link via email Wednesday afternoon. It's completely optional. This is obviously not part of a grade or participation or anything like that, but just something I was interested in doing. So please join if you are interested. Of course, like I said, no pressure. But it's certainly, you're certainly welcome to if it would be useful to you. This week's material is about sampling. Sampling is how we select participants to participate in a research study. Keep in mind there are two big sort of categories of sampling: random sampling and non-random sampling. Random sampling is difficult to do. It's more time intensive, maybe a little bit more costly, but it typically results in a more representative sample. Non-random sampling is certainly easier to do and certainly probably more common in a lot of social work research, but it typically results in a less generalizable sample. So keep those two big categories of sampling in mind as you work through the material this week. As always, if you have any questions, get in touch. Hope everyone has a great week, and we'll talk to you soon.